Hello everybody! Welcome back to South Australia. Okay, we're here now. We are at the end of the season, so we're looking, as you can see already, we're here checking out how the plants are looking towards the end of the season. We got 4 weeks to go and that's it, we're done. So they'll be all ripped off, all cleaned up, and then preparing for the next season. Now today we are going to look what is a screening trial. Screening trials is like 5 to 10 plants, not even, and you're checking out how they behave, these plants. Last time we saw another trial of different varieties in the other house, which were already further than a screening trial. There were much more plants. So we got few variety here, so we call it easier 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so far we're looking at number 3 because number 3 is quite successful. And next year we're gonna do it again. And you can see, look at this, look at this, look at this. Oh, my goodness!
Oh my goodness!
Able to achieve size of this measure is quite good when the plant is already 4 weeks away from being pulled out. There is a king fruit, Antonio, what is a king fruit? It's the very first one. It's coming big. Sometimes it's coming a bit funny in shape, more sort of oval. See, you can see one here, one there, and usually it's very big, very large. It is a concern in some varieties because it doesn't allow the others to grow, but you can see the others, they're coming up properly. Even the leaf, man, even the leaf, look at that. Nice, beautiful, large leaf. Photosynthesis here works beautifully. Nice and clean, no pest. Amazing. So and that's it. This is how a plant at Gourmet River Tomato / Capiris Bros looks like. Healthy, strong still at the very end of the season. And you can see how powerful are these plants. Beautiful. Look at the size of these beautiful flowers. Nice big. That is again large fruit, good sized fruit. That means the plants is very strong, very healthy. All right then guys, thank you very much for following us. If you did like the video, please bam, push the likes. If you got any question, type them in. I love this job, I love these plants, I love you all too. I'll see you next time.